everyone, welcome back to another CV Linens video. My name is Myra, and in today's video we are setting up our semicircle curved backdrop arch that is one of our newest arrivals. This will take you step by step on how to set up this beautiful arch in a simple, quick, and easy way that you can elevate the look of this backdrop just using some drapes and pre-made runners. Let's go ahead and get started. Start by connecting your crossbars in order from shortest to longest. Next, attach the crossbar connectors and align them with your uprights. These lock in easily and give your frame a clean, seamless curve. Now anchor everything down with your U-shaped bases. Now your semicircle arch backdrop is ready to be decked out. Whether you're layering it with dreamy drapes, florals, or a balloon cascade, this frame is your blank canvas. No matter your vibe, boho, glam, rustic, or romantic, this backdrop works with you. Ready to level up your event game? You can find this semicircle curved backdrop frame and everything else you need to make your setup shine on our website, cvlinens.com. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more event inspiration. Be sure to connect to all our social media pages for the latest news. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.